In this video, I'll show you how to disable voice chat in Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or your console and then get to this homepage. And then from here, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. So it's right there. So click on it. And then from the menu that appear, simply select settings. Now at this point, you can navigate to the audio category. So on console, simply use the RB or the LB buttons and navigate to audio. Or on the PC, you can simply click on audio. And then from here, ensure that you're on the audio submenu. So in case you're in the compact mix section, simply use the LT or the RT button on your controller to get to audio. And then within the audio, scroll down and find the voice chat option. So if you see it's like this with a check mark, that means it's enabled. So to disable it, simply click on that check mark and it should be an X. So that shows that the voice chat has been disabled on Marvel Rivals. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.